So this is the next project with Brass Classics. This is a Land Rover 107 pickup, RAF with a roof, which I've owned for a few years, and it's finally now I'm going to start the project. As you can see, it's got some lovely patina. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so just a quick introduction. So this is my 1957 Land Rover Series 1 107 pickup. It's an ex-RAF vehicle. The roof section, I think, I'm pretty sure would have been made by Land Rover, looking at the way it's been put together. I expect would have been a special order job. As you can see, there's plenty to do. I'll show you some chassis rows quickly to see what you think. So this is the next project I'm going to start. Most of the parts are here. I've got bulkhead, bonnet, lots of wheels, steering, even got the original engines, all matching numbers, everything's there. Chassis wise, it's not brilliant, not going to lie. I'll show you some of the worst parts. Dam irons at the front, they're gone. Again, same there. You have a look underneath. Don't know if you can make that out. Yeah, we've got a lot of rust and rot. So yeah, there's a fair amount to do. Rear cross member, not looking good. But it still exists. That's the thing with these, it's still here. So yeah, this is my new project. Well, I've had it for a couple of years, it's just been sat in the barn. And now obviously, as I explained, we're clearing it out and making a proper workshop. Not sure how much this will be able to be saved, pedals wise, but we'll do what we can. And that's all replaced. Series 1 and the new workshop, which is now cleared. Next thing, I want people's advice. Is there anything you've noticed that's wrong with this, apart from the obvious? I think we've probably got all the original wheels, not on it, but some of them in the back. We've got the bulkhead, we've got the bonnet. They are going to need parts, lots of parts we're going to need, so if anyone's got any good parts suppliers, let me know. Chassis wise, what are people's thoughts? Is it best to save the original chassis no matter how much welding is required, or do I get a new chassis, go galvanised, go modern? My thoughts are this is too far gone, chassis wise. But anyway, I'm open to everyone's thoughts, let me know. Thanks for watching. This is Brass Classics with yet another project vehicle, which I'll be working on this week, hopefully. And basically the idea is to strip it down, get all the parts that need sandblasting to a sandblaster, prep them all, and then rebuild. Thanks for watching. This is Brass Classics. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.